Hey Josh, I just wanted to check in really quick with a video as I'm going through some of History 330. So the SME did a really good job with their templates for such a text-heavy course, but one thing that they did not do is heading. So you'll see that the Black nationalism has a heading, but the subheading just says normal. So we would switch all of them to the heading number lower than the one above it. There's a little bit more parts than I would normally put, but again, it's super text heavy and without images, it's good to add them every now and then. I did notice there are little links, so that's what I was talking about yesterday, where you would just go in and unlink, and then anything after a part with a title, you would make it a heading because a screen reader would not be able to pick up on that if it just had the normal text. So you would just go through and update all of these as header 3, remove all the links, and carry on. Let me know if you have questions. Bye.